Discord. We all know Discord, the amazing chat app that's here up on my screen. It's beautiful, but is Discord killing other parts of the internet? Well, that's what we're going to be exploring in this video. So I got this idea because I saw Kotaku wrote an article saying, please stop closing forums and moving people to Discord. And I thought about this and I was like, you know, that's a good point, because while Discord
is amazing,
it's a really awesome chat application, it's really great for gaming with your friends, it's a great tool for building community, it is not a replacement for everything. Okay. This is where we get into some software engineering terms like use cases. What are the use cases for Discord? I mean, I just listed them out, but let me do it again. Chatting with your friends in real time. Building communities. Rewarding communities. Now, what is the purpose of a forum? So I've never really been big into the forum culture. Like, I know a lot of people will troll forums and actually like read through all the forums. I've only ever heard about it. I talked to this guy in college and I was like, hey, how'd you learn so much about programming? He's like,
well, I'm a lurker. I go around the forums and I just look and I read and I study.
What a nerd.
So yeah, I'm not really into trolling the forums. I mean, the closest thing I do is Reddit. Reddit is the most modern, easy, forum-esque platform there is, right? The nice thing about forums is that you talk about a subject and then it is archived for a really long time and people can search it up because Google indexes it, which is why forums are a really good place to ask your technical problems, to talk about lore, have any conversation that somebody might be interested in sometime in the future and may not necessarily want to participate in, but could if they wanted to. My favorite forum, if you can really call it a forum, is Stack Overflow. Recently, I've been doing a lot of the coding. Get it? Coco coding? I'm sorry, that was pretty cringe. But yeah, for those of you who program, can you imagine if Stack Overflow was a Discord? No! People would constantly be posting their problems and the chat would just be going up and everyone would have to scroll back up to see what the initial problem was. It would be chaos. Okay, people like me. When we use Discord, we do something like this. Blah, 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 enter, blah, 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 enter, blah, 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 blah. That is literally how I talk on Discord. Those of you in the Discord know that. People are probably gonna wonder what the fuck just happened in Discord, and they will know when they see this video. But yeah, back to the topic. So Eurogamer and all these other places are closing their forums and moving to Discord. And I can understand that because Discord is far more powerful than forums. Discord allows you to message your community and users in real time, get notifications, have all this functionality. And when you can do these kinds of things, you can influence them more. You can send them your videos, you can do polls, right? There are a lot of plus sides to Discord. It's a platform that's always improving. It has a dedicated team. So you kind of outsource it. You're like, okay, I'm gonna create my Discord. You don't have to deal with the bugs because Discord's dealing with the bugs. The Discord team, that is. I mean, you still have to deal with crappy little kids putting videos that crash Discord. That's not cool, guys. Don't do that. But yeah, I understand from like a business side why they would replace forums with Discord, but there is kind of one business disadvantage to moving from a forum to a Discord, which is you lose dominion. Okay, Discord can just shut down your server. Discord can like just shut down your server whenever they want. I mean, they probably won't shut down Eurogamer's Discord,
but still,
in my opinion, it would have made more sense to replace a forum with a subreddit. But I also understand why they didn't do that, because when you're in Reddit, you can get transferred to other parts of Reddit and your attention goes away from Eurogamer-centric stuff or whatever the institution it may be. Discord, on the other hand, is like a closed ecosystem. You can do whatever you want with your people. You can mold their minds and control them. I mean, not that that's what people do with Discord. I mean, maybe there is some sketchy stuff on Discord. But yeah, now let me present you with a scenario. 5 years from now, some internet historian wants to go see what happened on the internet 5 years ago. If everyone switched from forums to Discord, it would be terrible because Discord chats are not indexed on Google. You know how you get forums? You type into Google some random problem and it pulls up the forum page with the freaking answer. It's beautiful, it's amazing. You can see a passionate debate about whether Master Chief's suit jacks him off.
Wait, what?
Those of you in the Discord are gonna understand that joke. But yeah, when platforms switch from forums on the web to Discords, they lose that. They lose their internet footprint. Yes, it may take more work to maintain the forum, but if you really cared about your community, you would maintain the forums. You would try to engage people in the forums. You would gamify it. You would try to make people use the forums enough to justify an engineer working on it. Frankly, if you have your own forum and you switch to Discord, that just tells me that you don't give a shit about your community. If you never had a forum and you have a Discord, that makes perfect sense. Because in 2021, Discord is a great place to start building a community. Because when numbers are low, people need feedback. They need like, oh, is somebody else here talking? So people talk back and forth, back and forth. Nobody wants to wait like a day for someone to respond to their forum post in 2021. We don't have time for that. Our social lives in 2021 are just typing the bubbles on the internet and watching the bubbles ... as the person types back. It's very sad. It's a very sad existence we have. But yeah, I love Discord. It's a beautiful place. It's great for building communities. But if everybody switches to Discord and abandons forums and other places, it is going to kill something beautiful that existed about the internet. And the beauty of the internet is already dying. I mean, I can do a whole nother video on that. But the state of the internet right now is really depressing. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you agree, if you think I'm a freaking
Idiot.
And also, since I don't have a forum, join the Discord. There will be a link in the eye or something. Please come hang out. We play Among Us sometimes. We chat in VC sometimes. There's a big memes channel where you send all the memes. It's great. Thank you for watching. Also, never share your password. Ever.